Another chart I'm looking at, and this is one of the most important charts as well, is Bitcoin against Nvidia. So Nvidia has been the best performer of the last 15 years. So if you want to see if Bitcoin is strong or not, you need to compare it to the best. And Nvidia has been the best. That's why it's the largest stock in the world, almost 4 or 5 trillion. And also when you look at Bitcoin against Nvidia, we are pretty close to the bottom in my opinion. So we have this monthly demand zone from 2017. And when you look at momentum and RSI on the monthly is at the lows, on the weekly too. So there is a pretty good chance as well that the bottom of Bitcoin against Nvidia is in. This doesn't mean Bitcoin is going to be stronger than Nvidia. I'm not so sure about that. But I think on the short term, we could see a bounce of Bitcoin. And we are starting to see on the daily, we are starting to close above the 12 and 21 EMAs, which are a very good metric to track trend. So as you can see, really strong. We could easily get to this level here. This would be a pretty good move for Bitcoin. So 40% move against Nvidia. I think we're going to see some money rotating to Bitcoin, especially in times of war where currencies are devaluing. You can just, with your phone, if you have a Wi-Fi connection, just buy Bitcoin. It's easier than to buy gold. Gold, it's far more difficult. You need to store in a really good place. You need to have security guards. It's difficult to transfer. So in times of war, I actually agree, especially for the day-to-day people. Not everyone is a billionaire. Bitcoin is a far better form than gold. You can take $1 million of gold in your pocket with Bitcoin. You can. So in scenarios like this of war, I actually think Bitcoin is far better for the public.